Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And so guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can increase your earning with CPAbuild, guys. So I come across this site where you can create, where it generate the organs ads and the landing page, guys. So when I came across this site, I decided I'm going to try it out, guys. As you can see, it has the CPA landing pages, guys, and there is a place where you can download gift card generator landing page for August, CPA grip and CPA build, guys. So I decided I will download the pack and try it out, guys, and for sure it has converted really well, guys. I'm going to show you my website and also reveal my earnings which I have earned through the use of landing page, guys. So this is my website, where after I have downloaded the landing page, I came and created it, guys. I created it on WordPress, guys. So I came and coded the site, guys, as you can see, and these are the CPA build offers, guys. So there is a place where when you click one offer, it will redirect to this page, get to state, guys, and these are the offer. Do you want some free stream key gift cards, guys? So we have Google Play Store, Shopify, iTunes, PayPal, Amazon, and Roblox, guys. So those are just the offer. Let's come and see for the PayPal. As you can see, there is $20, $50, and even $100, guys. And basically for this, my site to convert to real money, I used Ezoic ads, guys, as you can see. And also I use the social media helped me to convert, guys. It has helped me to convert, as I have told you earlier, guys. Social media automation is very powerful when you want your things to convert and get the earnings, guys. So these are just the offers that I have from my CPA build, guys, and as you can see, they work really perfectly, guys, because when someone come and click get state after reading the short description of eBay gift cards, guys, when you come to get state, you just download the offer, or it will tell you what to do, guys. After you have completed the offer, I get to earn, guys. This is just some, guys, and I will also place the link at the description area below, guys. So this is all, guys. Get the TikTok followers just 5 minutes. That's another offer I had placed in my site, guys. So basically what I did, guys, is just to create a landing page, and it has helped me, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the Ezoic ads, guys, and you will see. I will take you a step by step. Today I just wanted to show you how you can use the landing page for your CPA build, guys. So this is my website, and I'm going to show you my earnings, how much I earn using the landing page, guys. So this is my dashboard, as you can see, and as you can see, I have earned $137 with just one click, guys. Those are the offers, guys, and this month alone I have earned $347, guys. Let me refresh so that you can see this is real, guys. Let me show you, guys. As you can see, it's all the same, guys. All you need to start CPA marketing, guys, is for you to have a CPA build. You apply for it to be approved, for the account to be approved, guys. I will keep refreshing so that you can see, guys. So this is the offers page, guys. I come and get the link, and then I redirect it to my to my landing page, guys. So this is it, guys. I will be glad to help you out. Just reach me at the description area below, guys, and I will help you with increasing the CPA built earnings, guys. So let me in the next video as I'm going to show you the Ezoic ads. Till next time, cheers, guys.